So I'm back at Andy's in North Wales to see the Vectra Supertouring, the old Top Gear car, and he's had some great news. He's actually got it running. It wasn't a fuel pipe, was it, Andy?
No, it's the fuel pump seized. So it's had a new pump, new tank, fresh fuel, and she fired up. Brand new again.
Yeah, good stuff. Oh, listen to that. Silky smooth. It's quiet, isn't it?
Yeah, it's an old Vectra, mate. Sounds quite quiet, doesn't it?
It does, doesn't it?
It's not been around for a good while.
Yeah.
Yeah, made up with it. Turnkey, safe fresh fuel, shoes and money.
Does look nice.
Yeah, lovely old car.
Yeah.
It's on the road now, really.
Yeah.
I'll leave that to somebody else.
Yeah. Gorgeous. Yeah. Clean as a whistle out the back, isn't it?
Yeah.
God, it's so quiet.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. It's lovely.
And that's cold start as well.
Yeah.
So it'll settle down in a minute as well, be even quieter.
So yeah, unfortunately, I'm probably never going to get to go out in this car because Andy's actually got it sold. So I'm a bit disappointed.
Yeah.
You know, needs must, you know.
Well, yeah, change of scenery. I've had a good offer.
Things change, don't they, in life?
Yeah, might be getting myself something decent again, like a Cosy or I don't know. You know, I wasn't looking to sell it, but if people come knocking and they want it, then
yeah,
you know, it's going to a good home.
Everything's for sale, isn't it?
And that's it, yeah. So this is going. The black one's going. Make room for something new,
yeah.
I think. Something a bit more exciting, a bit quicker, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, let someone else enjoy it, I think.
Yeah, and you know, the person who's buying it, they're an enthusiast as well, aren't they?
Absolutely,
so,
yeah.
Hopefully they'll be coming to some of the Vauxhall shows with it.
Yeah,
fingers crossed.
Yeah. But it's going to the right place. It's going to the right person.
Yeah.
You know, it wasn't for sale, and I wouldn't have sold it to anyone because I've had this for however many years, 2008, 2009. So it's obviously been a keeper for a reason.
Yeah.
So yeah, sad but happy, but
yeah,
you know, things change, don't they? New car,
mate. Yeah.
You know, I'll be just as happy if I've got another Sierra sat here or another M3.
And do you know what? I've never been out in a Sierra, so if you do get one, give us a shout because you know, it'd be nice to go out in a Sierra.
Absolutely. Yeah.
I've been in standard ones, but not a Cosy or nothing. So
no, so I sold my last one 10 years ago, so I think it's time to get back in one. And unfortunately, pay the overinflated price for them.
Yeah.
You know, for what they are now, they're worth it. But I say I sold my last one for I think 750 in 2010.
Yeah.
And it's since been for sale for 25. So it's a big increase, but it shows how much of a good investment they are, really.
Yeah, they're very sought after, aren't they?
Yeah. So I'll be going back to the blue oval.
Back to the dark side.
Well, I've still got my Vauxhalls, haven't I? I've still got my
Still got the Vauxhalls, yeah.
So you'll see me turbo in a bit if you want to.
Yeah.
Turbo if you want to put that in this video.
Turbo.
A bit more of a barn find. That's a bit dirty. That.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's.
Might keep that one as a little. A little future.
Another one.
A little future one.
Yeah. So yeah, you get to see that. Get to see them all as and when, mate.
Yeah.
But for now, it's the end of an era of this one.
Yeah. Have a little look under the bonnet while she's taking over.
Mate, they're totally standard.
That is silky smooth, that. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Freezing cold.
Really smooth, quiet engine.
Beautiful, isn't it?
91,000 miles, that's nothing for these V6 engines. Yeah, consider it's been off the road, you know, in a dry garage, obviously.
Yeah.
fresh fuel, and say it's not been up and down the road. You know, it's just been sat really. So it's gonna, the lifters were a bit noisy to start with. They filled up, and that, you know, it's been smooth and quiet.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it.
Cool.
Good car.
Good stuff.
Good car, mate. But end of an era.
Certainly is, mate.
Check the water. Actually, water in it. Yeah, there's water in there. There's one thing I can check the water.
Lovely stuff. Beautiful.
Yeah. Sad seeing it running. Maybe I've second what's the word I'm looking for here? I'm doing the right thing type thing, you know, but I am. It's definitely the time. Definitely the right time, I think.
Yeah.
So if I had a Cosy sat here, I'd be just as happy. You know, but it doesn't help just seeing out outside the garage.
Yeah.
Every time I come out of the house, but you know, it's end of an era, mate. I think.
Yeah.
Definitely end of an era.
Definitely.
Let someone else enjoy it, I think.
Yeah.
As I have, I've not enjoyed it as much as I could have done, as in getting on the road, but I've had it, you know, I've had it to look at, I've had it to touch and you know, sitting type thing when I've been moving it about, but if I'm blasting up the road in the Cosy, I'll have a smile on my face, won't I?
Absolutely, mate, you know? Absolutely.
Get turned off, don't get much fuel in it.
Yeah.
That 91,000's done.
91,000 miles, nothing is it?
Not on one of these, mate. Yeah. Good car. End of an era.
Yeah.
Let someone enjoy it, someone else enjoy the old Vectra.
Yeah. Absolutely.
But it's clean for an old car, mate. It's a good, clean, solid car.
It's beautiful.
It really is a nice car. The one, the prototype, so yeah.
So yeah, it's running. He's done well there. Had to change the whole tank out. Wasn't the pipe as he first thought, but hey, at the end of the day, he's got it running, and it sounds amazing. And yeah, good luck to the guy who's bought it.
Yeah.
Going in a few days. So that be that, I think. And we'll carry on.
Now you might have to go and visit the new owner and see his collection.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
You know,
yeah, so
because he's got a proper collection, a big boys collection.
Yeah. So get in touch. I'll come down.
Yeah, absolutely. Just a bit of a driveway, 3.5 hours away.
Oh god. Yeah.
Be worth it just to see the car.
Actually, wouldn't it? Right. Thanks again, Andy.
You're welcome, mate. Anytime.
And, thanks for watching.
You see, a genius uses his madness, and a madman uses his genius, destruct. You see, a genius uses his madness, construct, and a madman uses his genius, destruct.